2018 Ford Mustang GT upgraded pony will get to 60 mph in less than 4 seconds when equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission using its new drag strip mode. The drive mode optimizes torque, transmission and newly available custom-designed Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires to deliver maximum acceleration and performance in straight-line driving. It's no demon, but it's impressive nonetheless. Drag strip is one of 5 driving modes on the new 2018 Mustang, along with normal, sport, track and snow wet, and is governed by the new 10-speed that can upshift and downshift faster, says Ford, and it can skip gears when necessary, probably not during a drag race. Paddle shifters allow for manual control. Ford reworked the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 for 2018 with new dual-fuel, high-pressure direct injection and low-pressure port injection to make 460 horsepower, a 25 horsepower increase, conspicuously 5 more than the Chevy Camaro SS, and 420 pounds-ft of torque, a 20 pounds-ft increase. EcoBoost Mustangs will also get drag strip mode in 2018. The Return Turbo Force still makes 310 horsepower but adds 30 pounds-ft for a total of 350 pounds-ft of torque. It gets to 60 in less than 5 seconds, according to Ford.